I'm Caterina Balleti. I'm here in the role of the president of the Italian Society of Photogrammetry and Topography, SIFET, which is one of the oldest scientific society in Italy. And just a few words about SIFET. It's a free association of association of different components. I mean that inside SIFET we have the university and academic components, let's say, and school components, the professional component, surveyors, engineers, and many others. The institutional component represented by the state cartographic bodies, and even all the companies dealing with the marketing of geomatics instruments. So I think that's this peculiar characteristic of the society, that is to be very heterogeneous, is the strength of our society. As I said yesterday in the opening of Azita, I think that's one of one of our target or main goals is the sharing of our experience, considering the different approach that we have. So I have to speak about GeoAI innovation, but many things we saw in the previous presentation, starting from mainly in Luca Morandini one. Thank you very much for your presentation. I just want to, let's say, fix some points about it, because GeoAI is a topic that is discussed even inside our society, and what we are trying to understand is even to, let's say, spread the knowledge about these new tools that can be performed and can help even support the work of a professional component. Let me just say a few words about which is the meaning of GeoAI. Is just the application of artificial intelligence to geospatial data, and which are the possibility given by this new marriage, let's say, between artificial intelligence and spatial data. I think that is mainly the possibility to analyze much more data. We work with a huge amount of data, as we saw, and we can create new maps, so new thematic maps, such as for supporting the detection in environmental crime. We can do simulation to forecast future scenarios. That is very important. To better understand which are the choice that we have to do for managing our territories, and by using machine learning and deep learning algorithms, much more deep learning, just because we are working with many data. So how can we collect these data? And this is the part of our geomatics approach. We have, there is an animation, I forgot it, sorry. Okay, at the end of the presentation, here. So, we have different technologies that today can be employed just to acquire geospatial data. We have let's say, there was an evolution in technologies, a very fast evolution, probably even in the last years. We're going towards to the integration of different sensors. So we have multi-resolution, multi-sensor, multi-scala tools, equipments that we can use, And what we obtain are two different kinds of data, the raster one and the vectorials given by point clouds. We have some similarities with the technologies involving remote sensing, obviously, as Enrico introduced before.